I'm Reese Hart. I am also the Northern Cardinal.
Hi, I am Maya Van Vyzen. I am the Ruby Flynn Hummingbird.
Hi, I'm Layla Columbia. I am the Snowy Owl.
Hi, I am McKenna Crab. I am the Flamingo.
Hi, I am Maze Stone. I am the bald eagle.
Hi, I'm Will Wolf, and I am the red-tailed hawk.
Hi, I'm Captain Hayes. I'm also the barred owl.
Hi, I'm Josephine Rawlings, and I am the blue and blue macaw.
Hi, I'm Georgia Young. I am also the Tocal Toucan.
Hi, I'm Molly Tracy, and I'm the Goldfinch.
Hi, I'm Sylvia Marshall, also the barn owl.
Move your mask up so we can see your face, Makeda and Maya. All right, look this way, Makeda. Stay tuned for each student talking about their bird.
I am the Tocal Toucan. I live in the Amazon River Basin. I am a large bird, about 2 feet long with a 7-inch long bill. My large bill helps me reach and peel fruit. As well eating fruit, I also enjoy insects, reptiles, and amphibians like frogs. When I sleep, I turn my head to rest my large beak on my back. I live in a flock of about 6 other toucans.
I am a large hawk and hunt while soaring over open fields. I have sharp eyesight and can see movements far below on the ground. The red-tailed hawk has a raspy scream. I build large nests in the top of a tree and reuse the nest year after year. The hawk is the mascot of Hawk Creek Elementary School.
Off.
I am the barn owl. I like to make my nest in barns, houses, and church steeples. I am found almost everywhere on Earth except the polar and desert regions. I hunt at night on silent wings. I have a flat face so sound will go into my ears. I am smaller than a great horned owl but bigger than a screech owl. I can see well in low light and easily find prey.
The flamingo lives in salty lakes, lagoons, and mangrove swamps. They eat some of the shrimp that their feathers turn pink. They have long, faint necks, webbed feet, and backward-bending knees. Flamingos live in colonies with other flamingos. Flamingos are waders and use their feet to stir up the water and find food.
I am the Northern Cardinal. I have brilliant red feathers and red crested feathers on my head. My call says, cheer, cheer, birdie, birdie. In spring, I am busy protecting my territory, and I can be seen attacking windows and mirrors, seeing their intruders. I nest in shrubs and vines, and I am the state bird of 7 states, including North Carolina.
I'm a ruby-throated hummingbird. I am tiny, just 2 feet into the comb. I can fly wings 53 times a second. I spend most of my time flying and can fly backwards, hover and stop quickly. I have very short legs and tiny claws. I migrate from my winter home in Central America and Cuba north to build my nest and lay eggs in North America. My eggs are about the same size and shape as Jelly Belly jelly beans.
I am the snowy owl, the largest of North American owls. I spend my summers north of the Arctic Circle. I have been increasing my territory and have moved further south. I've even been spotted as far south as Florida. I am a predator and hunt for my food. I use my sharp-curved beak to tear apart my food. I have powerful talons to grasp my prey.
I am the bald eagle. I am the national bird of the USA. I am the raptor. I hunt for my food. I like to steal food from other animals too. I have a large territory. I can fly hundreds of miles a day. I build a huge nest and use it for year after year. I like to be up high in a treetop so that I can watch what is going on around my home.
I am the barred owl. I am a nocturnal hunter and fly with silent wings. My lovely brown and white feathers help me blend in perfectly to my forest home. My call is, who cooks for you? Who cooks for you all? I use my sharp beak to tear my food into pieces. I eat small mammals. I have creamy white eggs. I do not migrate. In fact, I don't move around very much at all. There are fossils from Florida and Tennessee that show that barred owl has been on Earth for at least 11,000 years.
I'm the goldfinch. I'm a very active and acrobatic bird. I like to hang out with lots of other goldfinches. People think my call sounds like potato chip. I molt and grow new feathers twice a year. I only eat seeds and my beak is shaped perfectly for them. I'm the state bird of Iowa, New Jersey, and Washington State. I am the blue macaw. I live in the rainforests of Central and South America. I have beautiful, brightly colored feathers. We macaws are very social birds and gather in flocks of 10 to 30 birds. We can get quite noisy with our squawks and calls to each other. I use my powerful beak to crack open nuts and seeds. I can live for up to 60 years in the wilds of the rainforest.